am Ms. Kanis Fatma from the Educator Farooq Class campus. Today, 18 December 2020 and day Friday. Before we start the class, we always recite the dua. So recite the dua with me. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi yassir wala tassir wa tammin bil khair. Ameen. Class, our today's topic respiration. Respiration in plant. But before starting the respiration in plant, I am going to explain what is the respiration. Respiration is the process in which all living beings release energy in the presence of oxygen. And this process is called the respiration. Class, respiration is done in the all cells of the living being. But is the difference between the breathing and respiration. Breathing is the process in which the gas exchange. The gases exchange is called the breathing. You know that the all living being inhale the oxygen and they exhale the carbon dioxide. It is the exchange of gas and this process is called the breathing. And the respiration is the different process. In the process of the respiration, the molecule of the glucose is break down and it release the energy, and respiration done in every cell of the body. Class, as the all living beings need the oxygen, just like the plant also need the oxygen for the process of the respiration. And in the process of the respiration, the molecules of the glucose break down and it's release the energy, and this energy the plant will utilize for doing the other works. Now question is that which part of the plant respire? This one. It leaf, and it is the upper side of the leaf and it is the lower side of the leaf. And in the leaf, a special cell, the cell is called the guard cell, and between the gap of the guard cell is called the stomata. And where is the guard cell present and where is the stomata? The lower side of the leaf and in the corner of the leaf, the back side of the leaf. And where the back side of the leaf stomata present? In the corner of the leaves. And now I am going to show you the structure of the stomata. This is the structure of the guard cell and stomata, and they are present back side of the leaf and in the corner of the leaf also. Now class, look at this picture. This is the guard cell. This one and this one is guard cell, and the gap between the two guard cells, it is the stoma. One is the stoma, and in the plural we call it stomata. And this is the place where the gas in and out in the plant. Now class, we have learned that from the stomata, oxygen in and carbon dioxide out in the plant. Now the other place where the oxygen enter in the plant, what is this? This one is the root. This one is root, and you know that root absorb the water mineral from the soil, and in the water oxygen naturally dissolved, and this water which is absorbed by the root and oxygen is already in the water, and this oxygen is entered in the plant cell. So there are the two things. One is the stomata and second one is the roots. From these, oxygen entered in the plant. Now you may know that in the process of the photosynthesis, the food is made in the plant. in the form of the glucose. And the formula of the glucose C6H12O6. In the presence of oxygen, in the presence of the oxygen, the food molecule, this is the food molecule, and food molecule break down into the energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate, and it's release the carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide come out from the stomata. Now, how the stomata close and open? In the release of the water, when the water which is absorbed by the root which fill in the stomata, and this stomata or the guard cell is closed when it's come out and stomata is open. The opening and the closing of the stomata depend on the release of the water. Now class, there is a difference between the photosynthesis and the respiration. In the process of the respiration, oxygen is utilized, and this oxygen utilized for making the ATP, adenosine triphosphate. And in the process of photosynthesis, the glucose molecule is made, and in the process of the respiration, glucose molecule break down. This is the difference between the respiration and photosynthesis. And the other difference between the respiration and the photosynthesis. Respiration can take place without the sunlight, and it take place in the day, in the night, both. But the process of the photosynthesis needs the sunlight. That's why this process is not done properly at the night time or the dim light. Class, our chapter number 9, respiration in organisms, and today we are going to learn the page number 78, respiration and gases exchange in plants. We have learned the plant do not have any other special organ, but the plant also respire through the leaves. Exchange of the gas in the plant take place through the pores in the leaves stomata. I have shown you about the stomata, the structure of the stomata. You can also see here. This one is the guard cell, and this pore or the space is called the stomatal pore. Plants are the exchange of gas occur by the simple diffusion. What is the process of diffusion? The molecule transfer from the higher concentration to the lower concentration, and it is a simple diffusion directly into the stomata on the surface of the leaves. Root also absorb the oxygen. I have told you about this. And what are the stomatal pore? The stomatal pore are enclosed by the two guard cell. This one, two guard cell, and pore is enclosed with the two guard cell. The flow of the water into and out of the guard cell facilitate closing and opening of the stomatal pore. I have told you that, and when the water enter into the guard cell, and it is the facilitate to closing or opening of the stomata, and this result is exchange of gas. But carbon dioxide they release and oxygen they inhale. In the daytime, the green plants are respiring as well as photosynthesis. The byproduct of the respiration, carbon dioxide, is used by the photosynthesis. Stimulatory, the end of the product of photosynthesis, oxygen is utilized by the respiration in plant. Class, I have told you about the during the night time only the respiration take place, because in the dim light photosynthesis is not properly done. Class, what's your homework? Page number 85. Page number 85, and here give one word for the following. 1. Process of oxygen intake and release of carbon dioxide and energy from food. Number 2. Opening in stem for gaseous exchange. Iron pigment, the blood of the human. You will not do this one, but 1, 2 and 4 and the 5. Conversion of the sugar into the carbon dioxide and ethyl alcohol. Number 5. Process of taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Now assessment 2, page number 87. Here the detailed answer and the detailed answers to the following question. Number 1. All living things respire. Do the all living things breathe? Describe how they obtain their oxygen. Number 2. Respiration is a chemical reaction, and you have to write down the answer. Respiration release energy from food. Explain how the energy comes to the present in the food. Question number 5. What facilitates opening and the closing of stomatal pore? And question number 7. How does the gaseous exchange take place in earthworm, frog, insect and fish? These questions is your homework. Class, your homework. Exercise C, question number 1, 2, 4, 5, page number 85. And exercise B, question number 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, page number 87. Class, if you have any difficulty and any problem, we will meet in the Zoom class, and then we will try to solve the all problems. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.